Albert Einstein, or maybe not, once called it the eighth wonder of the world. Those who understand it earn it. Those who don't pay for it. It's called compound interest, and it is the most powerful wealth building machine ever invented. But what is it? And how can you use it? Imagine you have $100 and you find an account that pays you 10% interest per year. Great. In year one, you earn $10 in interest, 10% of 100. You have a total of $110. Simple enough. This is simple interest. But here is where the magic happens. In year two, you don't start with $100. You start with $110. You earn 10% of 110. You earn $11 in interest. Total, $121. In year three, you earn 10% of $121, $12.10. Total, $133.10. You see, your interest is starting to earn its own interest. It is compounding. At first, it seems slow. $10, $11, $12. It's boring. But over time, the monster begins to wake up. Let's play a game. Which would you choose? $1 million right now, or 1 penny that doubles in value every day for 30 days? The $1 million sounds great. Let's look at the penny. Day 1, 1 cent. Day 5, 16 cents. Day 10, $5.12. Still boring. Day 20, $5,242. You start to get nervous, and then the magic happens. Day 28, $1.3 million. Day 29, $2.6 million. Day 30, $5.3 million. Most of the growth happens in the very last days. It is not a straight line. It is a J-curve. This is the secret. Compound interest needs two things: interest, a rate of return, and, most importantly, time. Time is the fuel for this machine. That is why starting to invest early is more important than how much you start with. You don't need to find the magic penny. You just need that ETF basket we talked about and give it your most valuable asset: time. That is compound interest. It's how you build wealth. But there's a silent thief destroying it every day. That is inflation. Click here to see how to fight it. And subscribe to Money Sketches.